Assalamu alaikum guys. Once again I will guide you for the most important topic in building construction. The topic is related RCC footing size, depth and its steel reinforcement details. Before starting the video guys, I will tell you this video is specially for non-technical people which are not related with civil engineering, not for civil engineering students. If you are civil engineering students, so skip the video from here, because in this video I am telling you from my personal experience. I am not guiding you for any kind of formula or steel structural design. Just I am guiding you for size of footing, depth and its steel reinforcement from my personal experience. Because I saw most of the people, they are working, they want to construct their house. Normally ground floor, sometime ground floor plus 1 story or plus 2 story. So therefore they are confused because they are not able, because their budget is low, so therefore they are not able to hire the structural engineer and they don't have a supervisor during construction work. So therefore this video is especially for non-technical people, for domestic building, not for commercial building. Let's get started guys. In last video I already did for the size of column and its steel reinforcement for non-technical people, not for the students. So the link is in the description of this video if you want to know about size of column for ground floor, G plus 1 story and G plus 2 story, or at the end of this video you are able to watch that video. Let's get started guys. If this video is helpful for you, so you may like this video. Guys, you can see this is RCC footing plan and this is its section. So first of all, you should take decision if you want to construct your house. So you will take the proper decision. In the future you want to construct G plus 1 story or just ground floor. If you want to construct ground floor in the future, you want to after 5 years or 6 years or after 15 years, if you want to construct the first floor, so you should take proper decision. Otherwise you will face the problem and you will be not able to construct the other story or 2 more story. So therefore take proper decision. You want to construct just ground floor or in the future first floor and second floor. Okay, so this is the most important thing. So guys, for ground floor, only for ground floor, the first one, okay, size of footing for ground floor, only ground floor for 1 story. So what should be the size of footing, okay, and its steel reinforcement, also depth, etc. Remember guys, for only ground floor, if you don't want to construct first floor in the future, so for ground floor normal residential building, you can keep the size of footing from 3 to 4 feet. From 3 to 4 feet you can keep, but I recommend you guys, if you don't want to construct in the future first floor, so 3 feet is okay. 3 feet by 3 feet. So this is the size of footing. Okay. Now, so what should be the depth of footing in that case? So the depth of the footing should be 4 feet. Okay. Guys, this is just for ground floor. So sorry, for the ground floor the depth should be also 3 feet, not 4 feet. Sorry for that. Okay. Size 3 by 3 feet and depth also 3 feet. In that case guys, the depth of the bed where we are doing the concrete, so the concrete depth should be 12 inches, as you can see from here to this point. And to the ground level or NSL, natural surface level, so the total depth should be 3 feet. So after that we should keep 2 feet, or you can say 24 inches. So this is totally 3 feet. Okay, so this is its depth and this is the size. Now the steel reinforcement, what should be the size of steel reinforcement for main bars and distribution bars, also its spacing. So use 12 mm with the spacing of 150 center to center, or you can say 6 inches, 6 by 6 inches for main bars, and also for distribution bars you can keep 6 by 6 inches. So guys, this is the size of column, size of footing and its depth, steel reinforcement, etc. Now guys, we should provide single mesh, not double mesh. Okay, and the development length, guys, you can see these hooks, it should not be less than 6 inches. This length, also this side, for ground floor only. Okay, so this is for ground floor. So if you want to construct ground floor plus 1 story, the second ground floor, so let me write here, size should be 3 by 3 feet and depth should be, this is the size, and the depth should be also 3 feet and steel reinforcement should be okay, use 12 mm dia with the spacing of 6 inches center to center for both way. Got it? And for concrete, okay, so use M20 grade, which ratio is 1:1.5:3. So this is for ground floor. Now guys, I will guide you for ground floor plus first floor. Okay, so the second will be for G plus 1 story. So what should be the size? So in that case, the size of the footing should not be less than 4 by 4 feet. Okay, and the depth of the footing should be also 4 feet. Where this should be 36 inches. Okay, so 12 inches plus 36 inches. So the steel reinforcement should be same for both way. Like size of the footing should be 4 by 4 feet. Depth should be same 4 feet. Okay, and steel reinforcement should be same 12 mm with the spacing of 150 mm or 6 inches center to center for both way. Got it? So this is for size and depth etc. steel reinforcement for ground floor plus first floor, G plus 1. Now and third step, G plus 2 story. It means guys, you can see here ground floor, then first floor, then second floor for 3 story. G plus 1 mean 3 story. So in that case guys, G plus 1 mean 3 story. Okay, so here guys, you will use the size of the footing should not be less than 5.5 feet, or you can say 5 feet and 6 inches. Same 5 feet 6 inches. This is for ground floor plus 2 story for total 3 story. Okay, ground floor plus 2, G plus 2 story you can say. So in that case guys, the steel reinforcement should be changed, which should be 100 mm for both way. Dia should be same, or you can say here 4 inches on both way. But guys, here remember, for G plus 2 story we will provide the double mesh. Double mesh means guys, you can see here on the top of this you will also provide here like this. We will provide the steel reinforcement also for double. Okay, and the hooks should be not less than 6 inches, same. It should be provided. Now guys, also in the column the legs should not be less than 12 inches also this side for the column. Because if you didn't watch the other video, the last video, so the link is in the description of this video. Size of column and its steel reinforcement I discussed already. So here guys, the depth of the footing should not be less than 5 feet. It should be 5 feet. Just for domestic building, this design is not for commercial building, because I am telling you from my personal experience as I did different types of construction. Okay, so I am telling you from side. So guys, here the depth of this should be 18 inches. Okay, about concrete. So here you can also use the concrete M20 guys. Concrete, okay, for G+1, as well as for G+2 you can use M20. Okay, so here the depth should be 18 inches, and on the other side this should be 42 inch, or you can say 3.5 feet. So 1.5 at the bottom, and 1.5 plus 3.5 is equal 5 feet. So the depth should be 5 feet. Okay, so guys, these are steel reinforcement details etc. for this. Okay, G+2 story. So the size should be 5.5 feet, 5 feet 6 inch by 5 feet 6 inch. Okay, and the depth should be not less than 5 feet for G+2 story. Okay, so this is for normal residential building. So if the soil condition is okay. Okay, next guys, the steel reinforcement should be, the dia should be 12 mm with the spacing of 4 inches, C/C for both way. Okay, this is for both way, and the concrete should be M20. Ratio is 1:1.5 ratio 3. Okay guys, so this is the size of footing, its steel reinforcement, depth for ground floor plus first floor, and ground floor plus first floor and second floor for 1 story, 2 story and 3 story for normal residential building. I discussed the front of you. Hope this video can help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.